Hey guys, I'm Jessie Janae, co-founder and CEO of Lumi, and you're watching Unboxing Things, a show where we unbox your favorite brands, but we talk about the box, the cool part, silly. So I've got a mailbox. I don't know what's in it, but we're gonna find out together. It's a big box. Whoa, whoa, whoa. My mailbox can barely fit that. But I know what this is. It's the Honest Company. The Honest Company, based right here in Southern California, is a brand that sells all natural baby products, home care products, and beauty products. You can get that stuff all online, which is what we did, but it's also available in stores like Target. Because it's a big box. So let's see what we're working with here. It's a 19.5. Side here is a classic, a dimension of about 9.5. And then, oh yeah, 14.5. That's a really large box, and we're going to see that when we open it up to see the full box footprint. I can also tell this is an RSC style box. What does it mean? RSC stands for regular slotted container. It's one of the most standard types of corrugate boxes, and they're really easy to run, which means they're very efficient in production. It does mean you actually need to close the box with tape, which you can see the Honest Company did here, and it needs tape on the top and the bottom. This box has a little bit of printing on every panel. So it means wherever and however it's oriented on your doorstep, you're gonna be able to tell that's an Honest Company box, and your neighbors will too. An RSC box needs to be opened. And if you don't wanna kind of claw through the tape, it's really helpful to have a blade. Sometimes I use my keys. Oh yeah. Woo! Look, I've got some really nice printing going on inside the box. Really graphic. In big letters it says fun, good, eco, true, safe, just like words that I love, so I'm already pretty jazzed. And then on the very top, you see that there's a void fill that keeps my product safe. So when I look at these eco air cushions, even though they don't say Honest Company on them, they have the Honest Company butterfly. So even this piece of void fill is custom branded and uses their custom color. You can see that there's two different types that they're using. These bigger air pockets, and then this kind of padding layer. They use probably different variety of cushions depending on what you order to make sure that whatever you ordered arrives safe and sound. Boop, 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 boop. Now, this kind of shows you what's going on inside the box. The flaps have this printing with the words, but then inside the box is just a flood coat of color. And then of course I've got my product, all with its own product packaging. Honest Company is definitely going for an overall matte look on their packaging. So whether it's on the actual product itself, it's a matte kind of printing, or actually on the box, nothing is glossy. And then you've got some product that is being protected by another corrugate insert. So this corrugate insert was laying in my box, and this product, if I pop these corners out, I can actually just slide this product right out, so very convenient. Now this is kind of a bulky product, heavy, and it might have the tendency to slosh around in my box, maybe damaging other things or itself. So this insert is saving it from my other products. It's also saving it from itself, and I appreciate that. I appreciate that it's a self-protection mechanism. So this item is very inexpensive. This is just a piece of corrugate bonded together, and you can see here that it folds down. So in fulfillment, this would just be stacked on a pallet, and then I can pop it open and use this right away. And these bottom tabs are really clever because it allows me to pop the product in, pop these together, and then the product stays in place. All right, there's another insert in here. So this is the same concept. This little insert is created just to protect this product, but it's a different material. This is a carton material instead of corrugate. In order to get this out, I just slide it right out, and then you can see as well that this folds down. So they're really engineering some great packaging because you can tell that these items are really easy to store in fulfillment. They pop open, it's easy to slide the product in and then put in the box. In the bottom of my box, I have a layer of air cushion. It's kind of like they laid down a bed of lettuce for my order so that everything is nice and cushiony and has a lower likelihood of being damaged in transit. Dun, dun, dun. It's a popped air cushion. I wanted to bring your attention to this for two reasons. One, just to show you how unwasteful air cushions are because you can pop them and they squish down to be really a small amount of material. But the other thing is, it's not bad that this popped in transit. It means it did its job. It means that on its crazy road to me, things got wild and crazy in this box, and this one was like, boom, I can't take it anymore. But is that bad? No, that's what it was there for. Its job was to die in service of my order getting to me safely. And everything is safe. Nothing spilled. And now I feel like my dishes are going to be extra clean. Okay, you guys ready? We're gonna take the box apart. We don't need these inserts. We don't need to sink in air cushions. We're good now. After I got everything out, I realized in the bottom of the box it says, "Thanks so much for choosing the Honest Company." I really love that extra piece of messaging in the bottom of a box because it really acknowledges that once I take everything out, they're still trying to say something to me and let me know that they care. So I take this apart, woo, hey guys. Okay, you can see that this is how this box would look folded on a pallet. So then for fulfillment, they can just take it off the pallet and pop it out into a box. This corrugate started out as a piece of Kraft white corrugate, meaning that the sheet stock that this box was produced from was Kraft on one side and white on the other. Then it was printed through a flexographic printing press, and it was laid down with a color of teal on the outside and the same color on the inside. But on the inside, the color pops in a different way because it was printed over white. The other thing I can do now is use my handy flute identifier to see what kind of corrugate we're working with here. Oh yeah, hunch confirmed. This is a piece of bee flute corrugate. Exactly what I expected, to be honest, because bee flute is a really common type of corrugate that's used in RSCs, as well as boxes that are medium-large size like this one. Okay, you guys, right next to the recycle message is a really cute message. It says, a gift box, a treasure box, a photo box, a craft box. This box is a real multitasker. How could you reuse it? Rethink it because it's even better than recycling it. I love that. It's time to roll in the recap. So, Honest Company packaging is fun for a lot of reasons, but I picked my top 3 faves. First up, it's exciting. Receiving things like bathroom cleaner isn't usually the highlight of my day, but Honest Company somehow makes receiving their box of essentials really, really fun through all the colors and the messaging. Next up, it's engineered. You saw that actual insert that the detergent goes into. Things like that and the air pockets make it clear how well engineered this packaging suite really is. And thirdly, it's thoughtful. From the messaging about reusing the packaging all the way down to the actual packaging and the way that it performs. Because the last thing that a mom or a family needs is exploded detergent on their hands. This has been Honest Company Unboxed.